Oh no, I'm not able to copy my files. It is getting error, file too large. What we can do? So let's see. I will check first what is the size of this file. This file is about 4.71 GB. So I am trying to copy here. I am going to my USB drive and pasting here. You see this file is too large. You are not able to paste it. This is happens due to the common problem. So let's solve it. To solve it, right click on format and select here in NTFS or EX file and click start and click OK. It will format. Click on OK and close. Now copy this file. Copy this file and paste it in your USB drive. Oh, so let's see this. This is started copying files. Now whatever I have copied, it is pasting in my USB drive. This is how you can resolve your issues. If you are facing this type of issue, this video will be helpful for you. Hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.